Hi teachers! Today I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid in kindergarten for the social studies standard, describe the diversity of American culture by explaining the customs and celebrations of various families and communities. And what I did was I had the parents and their children do videos at home that showed and talked about their customs and traditions that they have in their family. So here's my Flipgrid account that I have pulled up, and this is under my grids. So I have 3 grids down here, and this one is Holidays We Celebrate. If I wanted to create a new grid, I would click right here and follow the prompts. But I'm going to just continue with this grid, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add a new topic because I want the family holiday information for 2019. So let me click right there, and I'm going to put that family holidays 2019. And I want it to be for 2 minutes. I'm going to click right here for 2 minutes. And I need to give them some information on what they need to do. So here are their directions, and it just tells them some of the things that they could put in their Flipgrid. So now that I've got that set right there, I could add some of these media resources, but I don't need any of them. So I'm going to say Create Topic. And there I have my topic, and here is the code that I could copy and send out. But I am going to I found it the easiest to add topic guests right here. And I'm going to turn on guest mode. And when I get guest mode, I get this different guest code down here. So I'm going to copy that. And that guest code is the one that the parents will use to get in. So I'm all set. Let me go over here and I'm going to show you what that would look like. Copy and paste it. So here we go. We have the guest code entered in, and Holidays We Celebrate. There are their directions, and all they would need to do would be to come down here, click on the video, and they could give us or click on the green plus sign, and they could do a video that tells about their holidays. Here's a sample of one that I did for last year's class. All right, so there's a sample of mine. When all of the families are finished with their videos, then you will get a grid showing each person's or each family's video, and the students can show those in class, and then we can talk about how our family's holidays and traditions are the same and how they are different. I hope you enjoyed learning about Flipgrid and how to use it for kindergarten social studies standard. Thank you so much.